I don't know. But it's my B-day, which means a birthday. And I'm so excited. So, before you start this video, hold up. Don't fast forward. Wait. Okay. So what you're going to do is hit that notification bell, okay? Okay. So now you're going to go subscribe to MVM Family. Okay, now you're going to go like all our videos after you watch this one. And then comment when done. Okay, now you can watch the rest of the video. Get into unboxing. So first, let's check the first package.
Unpacking, because this is a backpack.
Okay, so let's see if there's anything in the front pocket.
In the front pocket, J for Justice, J for Jayla.
This
Nothing in the front pocket. You just threw it out like it's trash. Well, it is trash.
Okay, so
Dun dun dun. It's pretty heavy,
you
isn't
get
it?
a sneak peek.
And it's heavy, isn't it? One thing at a time. What is that?
Ooh, this is a Splat Orbeez ball.
Let me see. So satisfying. Take it out the package so we can see it.
Okay, I need to get to my scissors just in case. Okay.
Now, make sure you don't rip the ball with those scissors.
I won't. I do this plenty of times. Try to get out of the package. What the heck?
It's stuck on there. You may have to cut the sides. It's dangerous with those scissors.
Make sure you have her parental supervision.
Let
My
me see.
parents behind the camera.
Ooh.
It's so satisfying. You didn't see that. Okay. Okay, so after I have a slow, squishy surprise.
Let me see that. Squishy surprise.
So let's unbox this. So basically this is like unboxing stuff, which I did a bunch.
So it's a little squishy in that box?
I guess it says a surprise squishy, so I'm guessing it's a squishy. Put that cupcake back.
What's in your hand?
Put that cupcake back.
We are unboxing over here. Now eat cupcakes.
It's a little pet.
Oh, how cute. How adorable.
Slow rising. This is probably like the best squishy. And it smells good.
What does it smell like?
I don't know, it just smells good.
It does. Hi, guys. Okay.
Okay, so let's see what the next thing is. Okay.
You took one thing at a time. You just took something else out. What is that?
I got a Pecan Pop surprise. Push mini ups.
And what is in there?
I don't know. I never had one of these before.
Is it a lollipop? Let's see.
I think that maybe it's a lollipop or maybe it's a stuffed animal.
Okay.
Oh,
So you're gonna open it?
yes. I thought that we were going on to the next one. I was like, what? You say what? Nice staring at it. So we finally unwrapped it.
And this one's still eating. Oh, cool. Oh, it had a confetti surprise. Did you see all the confetti?
Look.
It was a
all the
confetti surprise. You were supposed to throw it hard.
It looks so small. It's a blind bag. And after we will be opening some Poopsie Slime, so stay tuned to see me open all my other mystery stuff.
And they came with some cool confetti.
Yep. You got that right.
Cool
It smells
confetti.
like bubblegum. Smell it. It's a cute
First, let's
little
look at it.
cat.
Aw, and it's soft.
Because it's I think it's a...
Oh, it does smell like bubble gum. Smell it, Chazza. Does it smell so good? And you just carry it by the string?
Yeah.
Okay. Cute.
Okay, so have is this Planet Putty.
Planet Putty. It's the colors of the planet, blue and green. Earth.
Collect all of them.
Pretty colors.
Putty-ish. It's not that really slimy.
Let me get it.
See all the bright green.
I like those colors. Very nice. Okay.
Hush, little baby.
Alright, let's look at it. You put it back in the container. Nice. Okay, so let's see what's next. What else do you have? Do you stuff more stuff in there?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, that thing was stuffed.
This is the grocery gang, Time Wars.
Grocery Gang Time Wars.
Gucci gang.
Okay. Okay, let's open it.
Yas, girl.
Okay, what does it look like?
Seriously, there's another wrapping. Oh my gosh. Was there anything else in the box? No, it's just the one here.
Is that a toilet?
Yes. It says, pump the funnel. Then, put the funnel, pour water. Let's do it.
Pour water in the toilet. It's going in there, it's filling up.
What the
Okay.
heck?
Oh, it bubbled? It's like foamy.
Hear it.
It's sizzling. I don't think you need to pour any more. It's going to overflow. Oh, there's a doll in there.
What?
Look, it's pink. What's that pink? What else does it say to do? Just that?
Yes. What the heck? Ooh, this is kind of nasty.
Where is it?
Ooh, look, it changes colors.
There's another doll in there. Hold on, let me put it on thing. I can't see.
This one.
Look, there's another one in there. Let me see what you got out of it there. Okay, it's like a monster.
Let's see which one this is.
I think that's like the coolest toy ever.
Let's see.
There's 2 toys that come in there.
Yeah. So basically, right now I got.
Let's get the other one out. Oh, you gotta put more water.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this is so cool.
This is the one I got. I got a Jurassic monk.
Okay.
Okay, so let's wash this one off.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess we get an. I think this one's. What the heck? Is there another one? No. It's just.
Let me see. Ew, and the water's green.
That looks like There's more
No, it's not.
Yes, it
Let me
is.
see. Where is it?
Right there.
Let's see. What is that?
That's like a spoon or something.
Oh, yeah. And you got this one out?
Look.
Oh, these are the best. We need to get more of these.
There's like a fly swapper and a sword.
Whoever created that is a genius.
I want to get my squishy wet. Or my dog.
Because you just got 4 little figurines out of 1 little toilet.
Figurines?
Mm-hmm.
So I think this goes with this one.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this one goes with this one.
Cute.
Okay. So now let's put this aside and let's go to the next one. Okay, so let's see.
What else do you have in there? Oh, headbands.
Headband from Justice, made to match.
Nice.
We wear these every day. Okay, so the next one is some gummy worms.
How much fits in that little bag?
Club Justice. This, I think I don't know what has inside of it.
Let's see. Very pretty. From Justice. Okay. What else do you have in there? Is there still more? My goodness. Is that really a mini backpack? Because a lot fit in there.
Okay. Days of the week. Face mask. Face mask set.
Let me see. Oh, days of the week face mask set. So Monday is the struggle is real, blueberry scented. Tuesday is Taco Tuesday, vanilla scented. Wednesday is grape scented, Wi-Fi. Thursday is totes, watermelon scented. Ooh, that one's good. Friday fruit punch. And weekend vibe strawberry scented. Very nice. Glittery. So today you're gonna have the Monday blueberry scented.
Still more?
There's still more? How much more is in there?
Then,
Let me see.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's strawberry flavor lip balm with your name, with a J on it. Very nice. So it tastes like strawberries.
So I can eat it?
Well, you're not supposed to be eating lip balm, but if you lick it by mistake, no, you're not supposed to be doing that.
No, it didn't taste like anything. Okay.
Nice. All right, anything else on the backpack?
Okay, I'll try some later.
Yes, you can try that on later.
Last but not least,
Finally.
Sushi Jar.
Oh, your favorite candy.
Yeah, I love this.
Let me see. So how many things did you get out of that mini backpack? I don't know if this is really a mini backpack.
So let's see.
You got one,
I got one,
that big ball, one, the candy hand, 2,
three,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
the
10.
10, and the grocery thing, the figurines,
Yeah, I
11,
did that. I did
and the little squishy, the mini squishy.
counted
You counted that? Okay. So that you got 10 things. That was a lot. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please like. Right, Jayla?
Yes. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification if you want to know.
And comment below when done. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.